Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, we are going to learn your five fingers in Haitian Creole. How you can pronounce your five fingers, okay? Your five fingers in Haitian Creole. So pay attention to watch this video. Bonsoir tout le monde, ça qu'a fait, c'est professeur Jeff Denis, professeur créolois. Je dis ou pral apprendre 5 doigts yo en anglais qui jan ou prononcer 5 doigts yo en anglais. Let's go. Names of fingers. Names of fingers. Non doigt yo, okay? Names of fingers, doigt yo. You can see this image, okay guys? I draw an image. You can see this, okay guys? Firstly guys, we have thumb. This is thumb, okay guys? Sometimes we can use it to greet someone. For example, if you would like to say thumbs up, like the thumb, you could say like this, okay? Index finger, this is index finger. Middle finger, okay? Ring finger, and pinky finger. Okay guys, let me try to read it again. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, okay, ring finger, 5 pinky finger, okay, this is the, okay, this is, okay guys, palm, rest, okay guys. Right now, let me translate for in Creole. Thumb means in Creole, gros pouce, okay. Index finger, vle di l'index, okay. 3 middle finger, vle di doigt mi-temps. This is the middle finger, okay. Ring finger, this is the ring finger. And 5 pinky finger, this is the pinky finger, okay guys. And rest, vle di poignet. Ça nous kon poignet yo, mais yo, c'est poignet, okay. Palm, vle di peau de la main, many, okay guys. I think guys you understand this, them. I think that if you would like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and also to leave a comment. Thanks God for being watching my video. I love you so much.